My first call.
So if you bought the kit, you get that, which is a 3D printed chassis block, and when you get it, all the lathe shafts and lathe gears are really attached, and that pulley on the end. So we'll try and this is why
Yes, 30 years. Yeah. They're doing well, then. Yeah.
Digital for French drives simply because of the distance involved.
You battery, yeah. I've always got one charged up, except now I haven't.
Yeah, with the looking at the valve there on there.
It's so not free running YouTube.
I know.
Should have been.
It's on me checking up how it's going.
Yes, it's
Going
fine.
back when she has.
I tried to phone him when I got home last night, but his phone wasn't on. He doesn't usually keep it on him.
Oh, right, yeah.
So I thought, well, I'll just phone up Son to tell him I'm home safely. Son was sleeping in the hospital, which was nice, and our granddaughter was there as well.
Oh, good.
So we had a four-sided conversation,
Oh, that was
which was better.
Yeah.
He's in hospital in Redhill at the moment, and it's
Yeah, I know. It's a lovely
today.
track, isn't it?
And today they have the big London to Brighton cycle race,
Oh, wow.
which goes through Redhill. So he said, I am not going down on Father's Day, but
No.
no way am I going through Redhill
No.
on
That day.
Father's Day. I'll get that on Saturday instead. So you're painting. No. So taking in some cards from him, and so he's quite happy there this morning.
I know, I was talking to Ray this morning, and he told Tom's already phoned me earlier on to check everything's going well.
Well, I told him last night, I said, he said, yes, I know that, and so and so and so and so. Right, that's it.
But it's difficult.
His mind is working, thank God he's still got his brain. He's not a complete cabbage sitting out, that's one thing I didn't want.
Oh, that would be dreadful.
He hasn't got the dexterity, but he'll work on that, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. It will take
He can't
time.
walk, he can't stand properly. Lean.
Yeah. No, it's tough. It's tough for both of you.
But then that's the area of the brain that was affected by the stroke.
That's right.
He still can't swallow. That was the cerebellum that's affected. He can't swallow. So we're working on that.
War department stock, second-hand stock.
Oh yeah.
Apart from they had 4 new coaches.
New lights. And so we've got to take them there. And he's got to the rehabilitation centre.
Three.
Then the student doctors said, you mind, Tommy? I said, no, go ahead. And I said, we've got 10 minutes to assess.
It's still nearer than you are here.
What I have done in the past is I've been up to basic stuff and we've gone down together. when we've had meetings with the doctors and all that. But normally we go out separately, so it's got 2 lots of visitors instead of 1. I mean, you could go.
Though, isn't it? But I mean, when you think
It's
Thank you very much indeed. That's very kind.
you've got to handle it.
Number 7 is.
We'll go on holiday to so-and-so, we'll go and see so-and-so, and I'll have to, we won't do it. And he told me he's going to go upstairs, and they said to him, no. I said, he had a meeting.
Yeah, but that's not
Well, I always want to do something that's organised.
You can't change the
Yeah, well, yes.
What's
wrong with it, Richard?
What's wrong with it? You've got 2 sizes there, train, cutting the train.
It took me a
The other stuff,
So something was yeah. And the other point was that there was 2 points where the one of the trains didn't always they seemed to
Oh, right, yeah.
changes the points and sends the other one.
That's something sometimes we not bother as much. The ways that way to move back
How are you? Yes, thank you. Yeah, not too bad.
That went to over 45 and this one is now beating that. It's good fun, I enjoy doing it, yeah. I've got 3.
And he said, I haven't got number 1. I said, well, so he's gone around 4 times now to come back without my lunch. No, but I'm
So you want to order a 1, 2, 3 or 4?
No, we're number 1.
Oh, I see, it's very specific. All right.
And a piece of card. No, I mean, 7 and 9. It's what we but having 70% is expensive. Well, that's up there. I only need 1 engine and 1 wagon, which are much cheaper because if it's busy. When it comes here. Now, one engine.
Okay.
He says, why are you looking for your attempts to bring it to us? No, nothing. Oh, nothing.
400 to go on the big ones, isn't it? Yeah. Sort of virgin experience days and things like that.
And it's much nicer to be on something like that close by.
Yeah, the only thought I had of it was rather cramped. The guys that were doing it were a lot shorter than me.
Yeah, perhaps you have to be higher.
And yeah, I was too tall for the engine.
Maybe that was one of the stipulations when you went buying the jobs.
It'd be so easy to, of course, you just go
Nowadays, 6 to 6
My son's 6'2". Yeah, my son's 6'2", and his daughter's always taller than
people, I mean, went on the street, and we would take students for a 12-month, they were living in the house. We had their full friends who came out home, well, some of their business went to find
It's got a video on it. Wow.
So did you?
I mean, Tom,
I've got to have my
I see, right, you can.
But that's good to hear that level of
I've seen it on the telly because this is a lady doing.
There's three of us here. The other one,